Don't let a few screws stop you from this. You can do it. This. Oh my gosh, was I turning the wrong way? Oh my gosh. It's a little embarrassing. Alright, see? All these screws are out. Whoa. It's nasty, y'all. Was I turning the screwdriver the wrong way? Yes. Are you going to make that mistake? No. So satisfying to get something knocked off your to-do list.
Oh, yeah, because I'm so unlucky to sit on.
Bottom line, y'all, your nasty dryers really, oh man, I'm gonna have to vacuum them. They need some attention. Let this be your sign. Get to vacuum. I'll link it.